supermarket, and the first thing I see when I walk in is I just see a lot of unhealthy stuff. We have Chips Ahoy, we have peanut butter, we have fruit roll-ups, and we have a whole ton of soda. So isn't it interesting? The first thing you see, and typically when you go into the supermarket, you may be hungry, this is what you're going for. So you're already kind of set up to be behind the 8 ball. So we're going to try to avoid this, and we're going to go and find those healthy alternatives that we were speaking about earlier. Right, Ashley?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we are here in the cereal aisle with Ashley, and we were talking about the cereal that she was eating, which is really high in sugar, and we're going to try to find some alternatives. So one of my go-to favorites is good old Cheerios. Not the honey nut Cheerios, but the regular Cheerios. Because if we look at this label, we can see here that there's 1 gram of sugar, okay, per serving. So that's a huge difference when we compare it to the cereal you had at your house. I think it was something like 16 grams. So that cereal has 16 times more sugar than this cereal. So this is the one we're gonna look to get. Now you may ask, well, what about honey nut Cheerios? Well, if you look at the label for honey nut Cheerios, there's 9 grams of fat. So this is 9 times more. Sorry, 9 grams of sugar. Yeah. This is 9 times more sugar than the plain Cheerio. So this is the smart thing. So when we look at cereal, we really want to aim for less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Okay, so this qualifies.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go find the other alternatives. Okay, so here we are in the peanut butter section, and when we were speaking before about the peanut butter that you had, we wanted to look at the ingredients, and we really only want a couple of ingredients. The first ingredient, of course, being peanuts, and then maybe a little salt, and this is exactly what this has. So as you can see here, this has peanuts, salt, and that is it. Okay, so this is a good alternative, okay? So when it comes to peanut butter, keep the ingredients really simple. Just one other quick note, not all butter is peanut butter. It could also be almond butter, which is also a nice alternative. And again, we just want simple ingredients here. The only ingredients, dry roasted almonds. Done, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take this. All right, good. Okay, so when we were back at your house, we knew that vegetables was a sore subject, right? Remember that bin with all those rotting vegetables. So maybe we can find a vegetable that you would like that you can dip into the hummus. So carrots you said you don't like, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about cucumbers?
Yeah.
No cucumbers, okay. Peppers?
I like peppers.
Okay, so any pepper in particular?
I eat red.
So red peppers are great. They have an excellent taste. They're very dippable. They have a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamins, fiber, minerals, antioxidants. So this would be a really great thing to incorporate into your nutritional plan. All right, so why don't we get a bunch of peppers so you can have it later to dip into your hummus. Okay? All right, great. Okay, so we are here looking for an alternative to the cream cheese, right? That cream cheese was packed with fat. So if we're gonna go ahead and have some bread, we prefer non-bagels. We'd like something with less calories. But if you were gonna have like a toast, a whole wheat toast, and we wanted to put a topping, since you said you liked hummus, I would just continue to use hummus. Hummus is excellent as a topping because it really is just ground up chickpeas, has fiber, has vitamin, minerals. We love beans in general. So this would be excellent to continue to incorporate into your diet plan, okay, or your nutritional plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll pick this up and we'll keep going. Okay. Okay, so another option that you can use to dip vegetables and use as an addition to your food is either pico de gallo or salsa, because it has a lot of tomatoes, and tomatoes have something called lycopene, which is an antioxidant. So it's definitely a good, healthy alternative. But again, we always want to read the labels because some salsas may have more sugars than others. Mm-hmm. All right, so this would be a good thing to consider. Okay, so we'll get this too. Okay. Hi everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the pantry raid, and I'd like to thank Ashley. She was a great sport, and hopefully we will help her make some better decisions when it comes to nutrition. So that's it for this episode. If you are interested in possibly having me come to your house for a pantry raid, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and and I will consider doing another pantry raid in the future. Okay, I hope that helps. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.